It is common knowledge that the dance scene in Western New York is definitely up and coming, and there's one company that has a lot of buzz going about them, and that is the Neglia Ballet. Their performances immediately capture audience with their professional take on, of course, beloved ballet classics. We're joined today by Sergio Neglia. You are the artistic director for the ballet, and we're talking about your performance of a very beloved tale, and that is Baba Yaga. But I have to say, a lot of people aren't going to know about Baba Yaga. I had to do a little research myself. Now, what is the story of Baba Yaga?
Well, it's beloved because it's fun, but it's kind of spooky and scary too. It's perfect for Halloween. Baba Yaga, it has different stories. It's a folk Russian tale. It's a story about a girl who is with a father and no mother, and the father remarries with a strange woman, which this woman has a sister, and this sister actually is Baba Yaga. And this mother, or foster mother, she doesn't really like this girl, so she sends her into the woods to meet her sister, Baba Yaga, to be eaten.
And from there, all classic story, fairy tale hijinks, you start. Yeah. Now, one of the interesting things, I think, is your role in this production. Not only are you choreographing it,
yeah,
but you also play the role of Baba Yaga. So what has it been like playing this very big character?
It's been one of the hardest roles I ever play, and as much is the most fun also, because you can actually, every single performance, you can portray a different character, even if you do the same Baba Yaga. So it's been one of the most fun of all roles in the whole time I ever did.
And we saw a few moments of footage from the show, and I think that one of the things is it looks incredibly exciting. But for people that have never been to ballet, have never been to a Neglia ballet, what can they expect to see?
Well, I think they're going to expect a lot of creativity in the performance, and it's just a beautiful story. I mean, the sets are fantastic. We perform in Acheze, which is a dream to perform. The cast is wonderful. It's full of. This is mostly for kids. Of course, it's for everybody, young audience mostly, but for everybody too. You know, it's a wonderful performance. I don't want to give too much away.
And all week long we've been talking about ways to celebrate Halloween. We had a haunted horror house, but this seems to be a really nice, very sophisticated way where you can experience some art, but you can also get a little bit of the spookiness, like that shot right there. Yeah,
you can get a lot of spookiness, but at the same time, it's a different kind of standard of being not horrified as going to the haunted houses. This is just different. You have music. It's a nice way of loving ballet and starting appreciating music too.
And real quick, we're looking at a panel. Give us a rundown. When is this happening again?
This is the 26th. And we have a school show, which is for schools. That's 25th, and the 26th at 7 p.m. at Chase Performing Arts Center.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. It is definitely a show you're not going to want to miss. And other things you're not going to want to miss is what's happening in our kitchen world.